ਪੈਂਡੈਮਿਕ ਦੇ ਦੌਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਹਰ ਚੀਜ਼ ਵਰਚੁਅਲ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਅਜਿਹੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸ਼ੁਰੂਆਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਗਈ ਹੈ ਵਰਚੁਅਲ ਕੇਅਰ ਦੀ। ਹਾਲ ਹੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਟੈਲਸ ਹੈਲਥ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਲਾਂਚ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ ਬੇਬੀਲੋਨ। ਕੀ ਹੈ ਬੇਬੀਲੋਨ? ਇਸ ਸੰਬੰਧੀ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਟੋਰਾਂਟੋ ਦੇ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਫਿਜ਼ੀਸ਼ੀਅਨ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਅਲ ਕਰੀਮ ਮਵਾਨੀ। Hello, Mr. Mawani, and thank you so much for taking out time for PTC.
You're welcome.
Mr. Mawani, we would like to know today, in the world of pandemic, everything is getting virtual. Recently, TELUS Health has launched Babylon. Tell us more about this. What is this Babylon by TELUS Health?
Sure. So Babylon by TELUS Health is a free app that anyone can download. You can put it on your phone, and you can make an appointment to see a physician virtually. So basically, just how we're chatting today, you'll see a physician, go over your problem, your history. They may do somewhat of an exam, whatever is necessary. You can get prescriptions through the app. You can also send the information to your family doctor. Through Babylon, as a physician, I can also order blood tests, x-rays, and other tests. I can also refer you to a specialist if necessary. This is all done from the convenience of your home in a private, secure app.
When you say it's free to download and it can be operated with the convenience of our own home, does that mean anybody can access it?
Anybody. You need to have a valid health card. The services are covered by the government of Ontario. Right now, it is covered in Ontario, Saskatchewan, British Columbia, and Alberta by the provincial health insurance. So there's no charge to the patient. It's covered just like a normal visit when you go see your doctor.
Mr. Mawani, like if I have this Babylon app, then can I use it for my child or for my parent too?
Absolutely. So children under 16 you can make an appointment for any children under 16 under your name. Okay. So in your account, anybody over 16 can have their own account. If you're looking after, say, an elderly parent, if they have a phone, you can download the app on their phone, and you can be present for their visit as well, and you can help them manage their visit and their care.
But how TELUS Health is ensuring that health practitioners used, they are legitimate?
So even though Babylon is a national app available through Canada, when you are going to speak to a physician who is licensed in the province where you live. So if you're in Ontario, you're going to speak to an Ontario licensed physician. If you're in BC, you're going to speak to a BC licensed physician. So we follow all the college guidelines in regards to virtual care licensing. All our physicians are licensed in the provinces where they work. We follow the College of Physicians and Surgeons of Ontario guidelines. There's a rigorous interview process for getting physicians on the Babylon app, with mock interviews and follow up, checks on the care that's being performed.
So that means to access it, we just need a health card and just free to download app. That's it?
It's a free download app. You can go into the app, you put in your information like name, address, health card number. You can put in your family doctor's information. You can even put in your closest pharmacy information. So all that is available to you. So anytime you need the app, you can go in and make an appointment. So, we urge people to download the app, have it ready to go. So whenever you need it, it's there for you.
Mr. Mawani, how is this Babylon different from the other existing telemedicine services or the one provided by the province?
So the other services are basically going to provide you care at that point. For example, telehealth, you're going to phone somebody, you're going to speak to a nurse. What's different about Babylon is that you're basically creating a virtual record that you're in charge of. So if you use the app today and you go back and use the app a month later, the physician you speak to the second time can access your records. We can see your history, your medications. You control the pharmacy information. You control whether information goes to your family doctor or not. And you can decide that on every visit, whether you want it to be sent or not. So you're in charge of your health and in charge of your information.
Well, Mr. Mawani, thank you so much for sharing this important information with us. At the end, you would like to add anything?
Well, I just think in these times with the COVID-19 pandemic, it's going to be here for a while. We know that a lot of patients are anxious about accessing care at this time. They're worried about going to see their doctor or going to a walk-in clinic or going to emergency. So this is a service they can use that can help meet their healthcare needs for non-urgent care in a safe environment. It's confidential, it's private. And they don't have to worry about exposure, whether it's to COVID or other issues. It's very handy for people who are housebound, who are unable to access their physician with disabilities, people in rural areas. So there's a lot of advantages that it has to offer for people.
Yes, thank you so much for sharing this information and stay safe.
You're welcome. Take care. Stay safe too.